kind of hard to see, but let me lower it. He's pulling the dirt. Our guy is pulling the dirt away from the trees. There's one, and there's one up there. You can see that mound of dirt. But he's gone down 3 or 4 feet just to get to the base of this tree so it doesn't die. And he's got that one there. He's got that one there. That one there. I think this one's okay. I'll scrape a little bit. But there's a few trees out here that we need to try to save so they don't die. You can see those mounds. You can see it better that way. And if you look here, you can see where he's dug a little bit more around those trees. And that tree right there. Sorry. Anyways, yeah, he's doing some great work here. So we're gonna pick these all up and burn them. All of this loose bark and leaves, we're gonna burn it in the fire over there. So that'll be a good cleanup job. He is bringing fill from down here where we got 5 feet of extra stone and dirt and junk, and bringing it up here to level off this area so we can put a driveway up here. hard to tell if he's going high enough. And we'll put crusher run on top of this. That thing that's wrapped up in the green tarp, that's probably 3 feet lower than where that dirt is at the edge. So he's come up about 3 feet over there. So looking good. So I'm sitting probably 4 feet below grade. So this over here, this all has to come up maybe to there. But it's gonna take a lot. Now we got a lot of stone and mud and junk that came down from the mountain. That mountain, we had a landslide. I think I've talked about that in the past. If you looked at my hurricane videos, you know what we got, problems we had. And we are just trying to remedy that by really moving large amounts of dirt and stone, rocks, I mean some boulders too. So we're gonna try and fill this in, so make this into a driveway, and you can see it's uneven now. Well, it's hard to tell in the camera, honestly, but this needs to come up in elevation and then stone on top of that. So he may be putting some big boulders here to hold back the dirt. We'll see.